Okay, we're going to solve by factoring. So what we're going to do here is we're going to factor it into two binomials. So it's n and n. Factors of negative 15 are negative 1 and 15, negative 3 and 5, 1 and negative 15, or 3 and negative 5. I want the factors that are going to give me positive 2 in the middle. So it's going to be those. So it's n minus 3 times n plus 5. Now remember, if you have two items that you multiply together and you get 0 for an answer, either this is 0 or this is 0. So in the first case, if n minus 3 is 0, you have to figure out what value of n would cause that to happen. Well, you probably can just look at it and tell that it's going to be 3, but we're going to solve it like we would an equation, and we're going to get n is equal to 3. And then you're going to do the same thing here because it might be this one that causes it to be 0. So if n plus 5 is the factor that's equal to 0, then n would have to be negative 5. So I get 3 and negative 5 for my zeros. These are also called roots. They're also called solutions. And on and on and on. And that's where I want you to take this, pause this video, and just read through this. Now, graphically speaking, these locations are going to be where these things cross the x-axis. I don't particularly have this one graphed, but that's what they're talking about when that happens. Now, I'm going to give you some problems from a workbook page to do, and this is what I want each problem to look like. Some of them are already factored for you, and you just have to do this process. And some of them you have to do the entire process.